So 625. Now because it ends in 5, I'm sure that it's going to be divisible by 5. So I started off by using my prime factor of 5. So I'm going to divide it by 5. So you can go and do the division by yourself. It should be 1,225. This ends in 5 again, so I'm just going to divide it by 5 because I'm sure that it's going to be divisible by 5. So that divided by 5 is 245. So you can see the numbers getting smaller and smaller, which is good. And I'm going to divide it by 5 again, which is 49. And you can see 49, if I divide it by 7, it's going to be 7. Yeah, 49 divided by 7 is 7. And 7 is a prime number, so I can't divide any further, so that's when I stop. So although the number we started off with is pretty big, the tree diagram is not that big after all. And you can see that 6,125 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7. Again, you don't have to worry about these numbers, only the outside numbers on the left. Okay? And again, you can see there's 3 5s, 3 lots of 5s, and 2 7s, 2 lots of 7s. So if I write it as my indices and product, it's going to be 5 cubed times 7 squared. So 300, now it's pretty small, so you guys can try by yourself if you like. So 300, I'm going to divide it by 2, so it's going to be 150 of course. I'm going to divide it by 5 because it ends in 0, and I know it divides by 5, because if I divide by 5, it's going to be 30. So it's getting smaller and smaller. Now 30, what should I do? Well, I'm going to divide by 5 again. And again, guys, you can do it with 2 if you like. Eventually, we get the same answer, same lots of the prime factors, so you don't have to worry about which one to choose. Just as long as it divides into it, that's all you need to do. All right? So you don't have to do 5, you can do 2 if you like, because 30 goes into 2 as well. But anyway, I'm going to stick with 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And 6, if I divide it by 2, I'm going to get 3. Okay, and again, you can't go any further than that. Concentrating on these numbers on your left, we know that 300 is 2 times 5 times 5 times 2 times 3. Okay, now see how for 2, although it's not together, I can see there's 2 2s. So there's 2 lots of 2s, there's 2 lots of 5s, and just 1 3. So this time, how would you write it? I'm going to write it as 2 squared because there's 2 lots of 2s. Well, 5 squared because there's 2 lots of 5s. And 3 is just by itself, so it's 3 to the power of 1, which is just 3. Okay? So that's pretty much it. So just remember, guys, 3 to the power of 1 is just 3. You don't have to write the 1 there. Okay? So, yeah, just remember that.